G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean and this is the Divoom Pixoo Max LED display. It's probably one of the weirdest and most interesting pieces of tech that I've been sent in quite some time, and personally I absolutely love it. So this little device from a company called Divoom is basically a little LED panel that really can serve multiple purposes. It can be something that you put in your car if you're an Uber or Lyft driver, something that you put in your business, maybe on the reception at the front of your shop, or maybe it's your piece of, content that you have in your live stream so people can ask questions. And it's really just a way of, having something to talk about, starting a conversation. People might be like, oh, that's cool, what's that? And it's just a really good segue into other things. So this little device was sent over to me for review from Divoom. Big thank you to those guys for sending this over. And today we're going to go through some of the specifications, some of the use case scenarios, and some of the things that I've been actually really enjoying with this little display. So this is essentially a 32 by 32 LED panel grid, and the LEDs in this panel are an industrial grade LED that can actually withstand up to 80 degrees Celsius. So maybe if you are planning on putting it in the front of your shop where it gets a lot of direct sunlight, or maybe in the front or the back of your car where you're getting tons of UV rays, this little device isn't going to have any issues at all. In terms of the battery that's in here as well, it's a 5000 milliamp hour battery, so you can run it on the battery alone for hours and hours and hours, which is what I've been doing. It recharges via USB-C, has built-in Bluetooth, and overall is actually just a really cool piece of tech. Now, the kit that I was sent actually retails for $99 USD on the Divoom website. You can probably find it for different prices with different retailers, but the kit that I was sent, the one that they sell on their own website, actually comes included with the mount, so you can put it into your car. And inside of the box you have also the DC 12 volt connector, so you can plug it into your 12 volt cigarette lighter, for example, and have it continuously powered while you're driving. If you're an Uber or Lyft driver, I guess that's the intent there. Maybe if you just want to have it in your car as a bit of a fun thing, that's also something you can do. But it also has on the back a little stand, so you can put it in and it can rest on your desk or on your bookshelf or wherever you want to put it. And then you get a bunch of stickers in the manual and everything else. Other than that, you obviously have the app, which you can download for your iPhone or your Android-based phone. And once you've got the app installed, you literally have hundreds of thousands of different designs that you can download onto your Pixel, and then you can even upload your own photo and it will convert it into a bunch of LEDs. So again, there is just so much versatility with this little panel. It is really just you and your creativity. That's kind of like the only, boundary that you might have. Now, in terms of, what my particular use case is for something like this, is I've actually been having it in the background of my live streams every single time I go live, and I think it really gives me a point of difference. And every single person I feel who joins the live streams who isn't familiar with me or my channel asks a question about this little device, and it's great because it allows me to sort of talk about this, which then leads on to talking about tech, and then people get a sort of a better understanding of, what my channel is all about. So considering that I'm not the best in terms of making overlays and animated effects and things like that, having something physical that I can just put into the background that has that same sort of oh, I've never seen that before kind of thing, is actually really, really cool. So as you can see, I've been cycling through different animations with every sentence that I speak, just to sort of show you the versatility and some of the cool designs that you can get from Divoom on their app that have been actually published by other creators that are out there. So if you're thinking about creating content just for this platform, that is also totally an option, and you can share it with other people as well, which I think is a really cool thing that Divoom is trying to encourage, which is more people being creative and putting it into some sort of digital format that can be shared with other people. So if you guys like this video, make sure to chuck it a like. If you have any comments or questions about the product, let me know in the comment section. And if you're now at the end of this video and you want something else different to watch, maybe a good one to watch is the one that I did recently about the RGB room sort of makeover that I did recently. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.